Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. How to send Ethereum, or ETH, from a paper wallet in 2025. If you're new to this, a paper wallet is basically a physical or digital printout of your private keys, keeping your crypto super secure offline. It's a great way to store your ETH away from hackers, but sending from it requires a few careful steps. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to gather your tools. Make sure you have your paper wallet handy with the private key written down securely. You'll also need a reliable Ethereum wallet app like MetaMask or MyEtherWallet installed on a secure device. Remember, never use a public computer for this to avoid any risks. Step 1. Import your private key. Open your wallet app and look for the option to import an account. Paste or type in your private key carefully. Double-check for any typos because one mistake could mean losing your funds forever. Once imported, your ETH should appear in the wallet. Next, check your balance to confirm everything's good. In 2025, with Ethereum's upgrades like improved scalability, transactions are faster, but always verify your funds first. Now, for the main event, sending your ETH. Go to the Send section, enter the recipient's Ethereum address, make sure it's correct, and specify the amount you want to send. Don't forget to factor in gas fees. These might be lower thanks to advancements in the network, but they can still add up. Before you hit confirm, review everything. This is crucial for security. Once you're sure, approve the transaction, and watch it go through on the blockchain explorer like Etherscan. It should only take seconds or minutes now. Finally, after the transaction is complete, remove the private key from your device for safety. Always prioritize security in the crypto world. Use two-factor authentication and keep your paper wallet in a safe place. There you have it, folks. You've just sent ETH from your paper wallet like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.